1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, what do you do? 2, 3, 4, you're 1, 2, you're 1, 2. That's all right.
There was a lot of rough times for Sheldon when he got back home, not being able to find a job.
Coming out of the military, some people are very prepared, some people are somewhat prepared, and some people are lost.
I was struggling, man. I used to have to give blood, plasma, just to get money.
My only boy, that was hard.
And everything was tech, and the whole cloud thing was coming. I was like, I have to find something. And that's what led me to Merivis.
When he met Hector, it changed his life.
You know, he didn't know me, but I shared some stories about my military experience, my career, and Salesforce.
I thought he was a salesman. I thought he was, you know, I didn't believe it. But I also was telling myself, like, if this is true, this is it.
Hector wanted to establish an organization focused on Texas veterans that didn't just offer the training, but offered all of the skill sets that come with looking for your next career. Welcome to the Merivis family. We're going to set you up for success.
Architects, business analysts, project managers, we need an influx of talent. Take these people that have, you know, incredible perspective, life experience, drive and ambition, and bring them into the Salesforce ecosystem. It's a win for Salesforce, it's a win for Salesforce's customers, and it's a great career for veterans and military spouses.
It was compelling enough for him to take that first step.
Merivis and Trailhead gave me the tools and the resources to get my career started. I just took off with it. Now, employment comes searching for me.
I cried, because I was like, man, he's making his place in the world.
He was just so excited that he has to tell the entire world why he's so happy.
You know how many people I've talked to that just don't know what's gonna happen when they're gonna get their next paycheck, what's gonna happen with their job, or if they could lose their job today, you know? And I told them, like, man, Salesforce can take away all that.
If you see yourself climbing to the top, reach back and grab your brother or your sister. Pull them up with you.
You get that super badge and you show him what you've been doing on Trailhead, y'all are gonna do fine.
Paying it forward is a really core part of Merivis.
This is a community of veterans that are now rising and then sending the elevator back down.
There's a ripple effect to that just hits all of society.
The feeling of being able to get back and to help somebody at the end of the day, there's nothing else like it.
People in the military, they just take care of one another. That's how Merivis works. We're family, we help each other out.